Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic, and I'm happy that LUNC within the past 5 days have been able to burn almost 1 billion coins of Terra Classic. Now, according to Terra Classic bomb putter, LUNC within the past 5 days have been able to burn about 859,256,389 coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Now, burning over 800 million coins in 5 days. I think they did well, because if you compare this to as of past few days, they were able to burn just about 500 to 600 million coins. That means over 200 extra million burning have actually increased on Terra Classic burning based on this weekly. Now, but I'm happy this was able to achieve this in 5 days, which means by the time it's completed about 7 days, I think they should be burning about almost 1.2 million coins of Terra Classic. But that is good for LUNC. Now, I believe that they still need to burn more with the listed project. Now, once everything is ready, Terra Classic is said to be burning over 2 billion coins in a single week, which means they can be burning about 8 billion in a month. Though last time we've been burning almost close to 2 billion coins. So I believe burning 8 billion to 10 billion coins in a month, they have really improved. But we still hope for this to really increase. But remember that Terra Classic, if not for the situation of the crypto industry, Terra Classic can burn more than this. Okay. Now, if it was to be back then when Bitcoin was trading at $67,000, when Ethereum was trading at over $3,000, when BNB was trading at over $600. Believe it, Terra Classic would have been burning over 20 to 30 billion to or even 50 billion coins in a single month. Okay, yes, because then there was a lot of cash flow in the crypto industry. In fact, the market cap of the cryptocurrency was about 2.2 trillion dollars. Okay, 2.2 trillion. And we also have Bitcoin then was trading at about 1.2 trillion alone. Ethereum was about $400 billion. So, and I believe that yes, there will be a lot of cash flow into Terra Classic. There will be high trading volume, which will result in high burning of Terra Classic. So, but at least burning almost 1 billion coins in 5 days is amazing. So let's hope for more burn to come, and let's hope Terra Classic will keep burning gradually. Well, one day a drop of water will definitely become an ocean. That is why we believe no matter the little they are burning right now, they are all contributing towards Terra Classic success gradually. Before you know it, Terra Classic must have burned a lot of coins in the nearest future. Please remember this on the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.